guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be yet another Dollar Tree haul. I know you guys love these videos, so I want to keep them coming. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some really fun things I found at the Dollar Tree for, you guessed it, $1. So if you want to see what these things are, then please stay tuned for the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Mercy. I'm a BSN RN. On this channel, I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty, feminine hygiene. I do some hauls here and there, and I recently started doing these Dollar Tree hauls, and I noticed that you guys love them, so that's why I decided to keep bringing them. So if you like any of the things I just named and you would like to join my family, then please hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell notification button so you'll never miss another video from me again. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. So guys, as you know, I started bringing these Dollar Tree hauls to you guys and you guys love them. And as I told you guys, I am a big believer that just because you make money, you don't need to spend your money. So you have to find very smart ways to save your money but also get good quality things, and that is what I believe in. I am very frugal. Even though I make a comfortable living, I also believe in saving my money and using it for the things that they are supposed to be used for. I don't believe in wasting money or buying things just because of the brand or just because everybody wants to get into it. So that is why I started to find smart and frugal ways to use my money. So with that being said, I want to show you guys these fun things I found at the Dollar Tree. Now this is not going to be in any order at all. I'm just going to show you guys the things that I got. So first thing first, the one thing I want to tell you guys that I never ever knew that the Dollar Tree does is order. You can shop the Dollar Tree online, and when I heard this, my mind was blown, because I just thought that since their stuff is so cheap and so affordable, there wouldn't be an online option. But what you can do is you can go to their website, pick out the things you want, and then I guess refer it to your local store. And then the store gathers everything you order, and then when you go, instead of walking around to pick out the stuff you want, your stuff has already been picked out. They have your name, your address, and everything. All you have to do is tell them that you came to pick up your order and they'll give it to you. When I heard this, I was completely shocked. I was like, what? So the first group of things that I want to show you guys from the Dollar Tree are car freshener. The first one is this kind right here. It comes in a little container like this, and all you do is this part right here. There's a little part up here, and you can just open it up kind of like a soda can, and you set it in your car. I normally set this where the cup holders are, and this thing smells amazing, and it lasts for a very long time as well. So the flavor that I got on this is cherry. Now let me say that anything that is good at the Dollar Tree does not last. People have discovered the Dollar Tree, so every time I put out a video, when you guys watch it, like weeks later, sometimes people go to the Dollar Tree and say, hey, I didn't find this. That's because anything that's good at the Dollar Tree does not last. I told you guys a while back about mink lashes. I literally went back the next day and there were none, like none left. And the day when I went, I picked out maybe 4. There was a whole bunch there. But when I went the next day, they were all gone. So these car fresheners go very fast because these are not typical. People don't know that they are car fresheners, so they go past it. So this is what it looks like. The next car freshener that I want to show you guys is this right here. This looks more like the typical ones we're used to. So this particular flavor is vanilla. It comes in a pack of 3. So 1, 2, 3. And you can hang this anywhere just like your normal car freshener. So this car freshener has the traditional kind of look to it. But the fact that it comes in 3, I like that fact. And it also smells really good. I tried it out before and I liked it, so I always go and get these ones. The next group of items are lip moisturizers. So you have your chopped ice. And we also have Carmex. These two I also always get from the Dollar Tree because number one, not only are they $1, but they are also brand name. You can always find brand name stuff at the Dollar Tree. You just have to know where to look. So these two are very important in my feminine care hygiene. So when I wake up in the morning, I brush my teeth. The first thing I reach for is some kind of lip moisturizer. So these two work great. Next on the list is hand sanitizer. This right here. The reason I like this hand sanitizer is because to me it's a 2-in-1. So not only does it come with the hand sanitizer, it also comes with this holder right here. You can put it on your belt buckle, you can put it on your purse, you can leave this in your car. As you guys know, I do home health nursing right now, and this is very handy because I literally just hang this on the shoulder part of my bag, and it's very easy to reach. So when I take care of a patient, or if I leave a patient's home, whenever I wash my hands, I always like to follow with a hand sanitizer. So the second thing I do is I usually go to like Walmart or any place like that, get the big hand sanitizer, and then I use this as a refilling container. So whenever this is empty, I go ahead and add more, just because it has this part and you don't want to keep buying this over and over. So you can always keep the empty thing and always refill it. The next group of stuff on the list are hand moisturizer. So I got this. I don't know what the brand is, but this thing is very, very moisturizing. It kind of reminds me of Jergens. So this is what it looks like. So this is a pretty good size. I like this because I can put this once again in my nursing bag, because you guys know as nurses we wash our hands a lot and it's very easy to have really dry, ashy hands. So I always keep a hand moisturizer handy, and this size for $1 is really, really good. And the fact that it actually does the work, it actually is moisturizing. The next thing on the list is this Palmer's Cocoa Butter. This is a smaller size, but this, you only need a small amount. And I like the fact that this one is a smaller size because you can actually fit this in your pocket and it's not going to look bulky. It's very small and very thin. But this thing smells amazing, and it's also very, very moisturizing. Next on the list is this kitchen towel. I got this because, as you guys know, it is fall, and it also says hello fall. It doesn't match my kitchen decor, but it's just so pretty, so I just went ahead and got it anyways. Next on the list is this little footy. I don't know if you guys know what this is, but a lot of times when you wear flats, I don't know if you've seen people wear like a little socks, or sometimes when you wear your dress up shoes or your heels, some people have sweaty feet and they have to wear socks regardless of what they're wearing. This is perfect because it's kind of like a socks, but not really. I think it's called footy, but on here it's called shoe liner. So I always get the color that matches my skin tone. So when I put this on my feet, you can barely tell that it's there. They have this in, I think, 2 other skin tone. So the really, really light one, and then this really dark one. Lucky for me, this one matches my skin tone, so I always get it. Next on the list are these socks. Yes, they have socks at the Dollar Tree, and this is a pair of 3. When you work and you're a busy mom like me, I'm always losing my socks. I don't know what it is. I'm either losing my pen or my socks. So if I can get 3 pairs of socks for $1, that to me is awesome. And the quality is not that bad. It's not the best, but it's not that bad either. It does the job. So this is a size 5 to 9. So if you're between a size 5 to size 9, you can actually fit these. And the colors are really nice too. This is what it looks like. So next on the list, guys, I have this mousse. So this is actually a very big size for $1. Again, this smells amazing. I always get my mousse from the Dollar Tree because mousse is mousse is mousse is mousse. You don't need anything fancy. It does the job. So all you literally need to do is shake it up really good, spray it into your hands, rub it, and then put it on your hair. So this brand is called Perfect Purity. I don't know what brand that is, but it's definitely not a brand that I know of, but this is what it looks like. So the next product I'm about to tell you guys about, I was very shocked when I found it at the dollar store. It is the Holy Bible. And this is the King James version. I had no idea you could find the Bible at the Dollar Tree, but it is $1. So for those of you guys out there who say, I don't read the Bible because I don't have one, guess what? You can now get it at the Dollar Tree for only $1. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure you can afford it. So this is what it looks like. They have it in 2 colors, but I got the white one because it matches my color scheme. But they also had it in black in case you like black. Next thing on the list is another brand item. So this I was excited to find because I love to clean. I started doing a lot of cleaning videos, but I hate editing those. So I just stopped. But I have a lot of cleaning videos I haven't even posted yet. But anyways, I got this Mr. Clean. This is the actual Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I was shocked when I found it at the dollar store because previously I used to get it from like Walmart or Target or something like that. So this has only one pad in it, but it is the actual real deal. Maybe I'll do a Dollar Tree haul just for cleaning supplies because that's one of my favorite things to do. The day I clean is like one of my happiest days because you just go from a big mess to a nice, clean, fresh smelling oasis that, I don't know. I'm weird, but I love to clean. Anyways, moving on. The next item on the list is for baby Nadia. So we started trying other foods for her. So like fruits and vegetables. Of course, they are made in baby food. We're not giving our baby raw fruits and vegetables because she doesn't even have teeth yet. But anyways, this is a little bib. This is the plastic bib. So like when you feed her with baby food, this is perfect because all you have to do is put this around her neck, feed her, rinse it, hang it back up, and it's ready to use for the next time. So when I saw this, I grabbed it. The next thing on the list that I'm excited about are these Binky Holders. So if any of you guys are parents out there, you know that if your baby is on a pacifier, they lose those things so much. So much, I feel like I'm always buying a new one. The best way to prevent that is to have a Binky holder. These I usually get from Walmart and it can run anywhere from $4 to sometimes $6 depending on the kind you get. But to get 4 of them for $1, I thought that was a steal, so I was excited. The only thing I don't like about it is the fact that it is white, because babies get stuff dirty all the time and I feel like the color is gonna change really quick. But hey, there's 4 of it for only $1, so if anything, I can go back and grab new ones. Another thing on the list that I was excited about for baby Nadia, she is 5 months old, almost 6 months old, getting ready to crawl, so we have to start baby proofing the house. So these right here are outlet plugs, so they cover open outlets so that the babies don't stick their finger in it and get hurt. So there are actually 12 in here, 12 outlet covers for $1. I thought this was amazing. I can just cover all the outlets in my house that is not being used just to make sure that it is safe for a crawling baby. They are by Angel of Mine. That's the brand it's by. It says Angel of Mine and it has 12 in the pack. Next on the list are these little storage containers. I know you guys have probably seen this a lot at the Dollar Tree, so this is nothing new, but there are many uses for these. What I use these for is, number one, sometimes I like to brush my teeth with baking soda. So I use one of these, fill it up with baking soda and set it in my bathroom. That way I always have it there. I always have it in something secure where I can use it and then cover it back up. The second thing I use this for is for baby Nadia's rubber bands. So sometimes when I do her little hairstyles, when you open up the pack of rubber band, sometimes there's no way to close it back, so I like to empty them in here. It keeps it safe and secure. The third thing I like to use these for is for like when you cook, for like, you know, little dipping sauces. These are perfect for those. And then also, as I told you guys a million times, I love coconut oil. So when I buy my organic coconut oil, I like to put some in here and keep it in the bathroom. So sometimes I'll put some in here for just my hair, or I'll put some in there for just my body, and then I'll keep the rest in the kitchen so that I can cook with it, because coconut oil is just my best friend. I use coconut oil for almost everything. So these little things are very helpful for things like that. And you can come up with many different ways or things to use these for, but I just thought these were very helpful. And it comes in a pack of 10. So there are 10 little small containers in here. Next on the list, I have this little 2-in-1 foot file. This is what it looks like. I usually always have one of these in my bathroom because after every day or two, I like to scrub my feet, and it just helps keep my feet nice and soft. So that's what this is for. Last but not least on the list, this is a very random one, but I don't know, I've never gotten this at the Dollar Tree before. It is Hairbrush. For some reason, as you guys know, I do hair and makeup for a whole bunch of people. And for some reason, I'm always losing my hairbrush. And I don't like to get really poor quality hairbrush because it just breaks after a while. So when I saw this is really nice and it's a pretty good quality. And I like the fact that it has that pretty pink color. So for some reason, I've never seen hairbrushes at the Dollar Tree. Maybe it's just me, but I usually get my hairbrush from Walmart or Target. But when I saw this, I was like, how come I didn't know they had these here? Anyways, I grabbed one of these. The quality looks really, really good. So if it works out, that's where I'm gonna start getting my hairbrushes from. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have purchased any of the items on this list, please go ahead and leave a comment down below letting me know what it is. And if I have empowered you to start shopping at the Dollar Tree, go ahead and let me know as well. I love reading those comments. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and also hit the bell notification button so you'll never miss another video from me again. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and please guys, please help share the video to support my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed to my vlog channel, I encourage you to do that. I will leave a link down below so you can access it. I'll also leave some links down below of my other Dollar Tree hauls so you can go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.